Uncle, I have a bad news. A very bad news.
Hey.
I saw your girlfriend playing with another man outside there.
Are you sure about what you're saying?
Uncle, do I look like a liar?
Shedrack, Meshach, and Abednego. Where are they?
They are there.
That side. Let's be going.
I saw them playing a bad play.
They're playing a bad play. Hey,
Very
don't worry,
bad
I'll do
play.
something about it. Please, wait. This video will continue after a few seconds. This video was officially sponsored by 1xbet.com. It's an online betting platform with the highest range of odds you can think of, with the highest range of sports events. Just visit their website www.1xbet.com to register and start betting and predicting matches. Check out the description of this video for more.
Look at them here.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Chai! So this is where you are. You lied to me, you're going to school, so this is the school you came to. You came and meet this boy because I cannot give him money, Because I don't have car, Abi? You're insulting me. Babe, who is this guy?
He's my boyfriend.
Young man, see, don't joke with me. If you joke with me, I will joke with you too.
Young man, calm down, okay? I'm going to do a transfer of 5 million naira right now to your account. And you're going to behave as if nothing happened.
Wait, calm down. Wait, you want me to sell my girlfriend to you? Hey, you want to give me 5 million naira? I should sell my girlfriend to you over my dead body. It doesn't happen. Good luck, does it happen?
It doesn't happen.
See, calm down. See, keep quiet. See, I have money if you don't know. It's not because you're drinking like this. See, we have money.
Baby, come.
Chai, you're even kissing him. Good luck, let's go. Don't mind this boy. Don't worry, I will show
Yes,
you.
Uncle, let's go. He doesn't know we have money.
This guy think I want to sell my girlfriend and just go like that. I will show him.
I don't know.
Good luck, wait. Wait, though. 5 million.
5 million. I'm thinking about it too.
Good luck, come. Let's go back. Sir, calm down. See, just calm down. Hey, Destiny Saver.
You are
a Destiny Saver. Hey, Daddy Mo. Come and change our destiny. Destiny today. Sir, you can take her. We don't want her again.
We don't want her.
Give us the 5 million naira and take her.
Sir, if you need girlfriend, anytime my uncle have girlfriend, I will bring her for you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What is good about this afternoon? Tell me. What is good about this afternoon? That you have been working our job for the past 2 years. Good luck. Is it 2 years or 4 years?
Which 2 years? Three good years.
Hey, for the past 3 years you have been working our gen. You don't want to work it. You have been telling us cock and bull story. Today we came to collect our gen. We want to collect it sound and safe. Give us our gen.
Oga, I'm tired of repairing generator. Ask my boy here. We have been working on this generator over 2 years.